Station referees.
Arrive. Christian.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. So
私の胸で泣き崩れてもいいよ。あなたの心を絡ませて、何があったのか詳しくは聞かないわ。そっと隣にいさせて、きっと二人はどこかでお互いを持って甘えられずにいるような気がした。でも私はここにいる、ずっとこれからも。だから手と手をつないでて、
Si Ravi. Tang sasakay na ng airplane.
This weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses. I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park, a night at the theater, or love in the dark. I don't know where she's going, I don't even know her name. I don't know if her life has been a breeze or a hurricane. I don't know if he loves anticipate, but I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. Almost at the downtown stop. I'm already late, but I don't wanna get up. Outside the city's painted gray, but in here.
So many people in the world. Hugaw. Mahugaw. Naray ko. Hindi ba? Dahil na mahugaw ko. Video ka. Mga 1 minute na nagaganito. Cute. Walang pang party dito. Pang opisina, wala rin masyado.
Cute.
Festive. Very kind. Summer.
This dog is literally doing nothing. He's been sitting like that for such a long time now.
Nindot mo yun. Ano video mo?
What's he doing?
I know you come as you please, still I wait so patiently. Your kiss is so heavenly, you made a pagan believe. Your love is safe with me, I'm done with self-misery. Your touch is so heavenly, you made a pagan believe. You made a pagan believe. Your touch is so heavenly, your touch is so heavenly. You made a pagan believe. I know God is a woman, 'cause you showed me how to love. Nothing seems so important, then you came and showed me up. I've been praying for something to believe in other than me, back since 2013. I know that I shouldn't put you on a pedestal, 'cause everything is great and I need to be more critical, but I'm so sick of watching paint dry, staring